Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, carbon-based life forms of all ages, I'm Bobby D. This is the Average Joe Hot Rod Show, and we're about to give some free stuff away. I don't know if you've noticed lately, but this channel is rapidly approaching the 500 subscriber mark, and I figure there's never been a better time to do a giveaway than right now. Since this channel celebrates people that build, restore, customize, and resurrect vehicles using their own two hands, what better thing to give away than a DIY oil change at my expense? That's right, I want to give you all the supplies necessary to do your next oil change in your daily driver. And this is how you can win. Number 1. Be a subscriber to the channel. That's right, everybody. If you don't subscribe, you can't win these giveaways. So go ahead and click down on the subscribe button, and while you're down there, click on that little notification bell so you never miss a video when it drops. 2. Leave a comment down below in the comment section. It can be pretty much anything you want, but also include the make, model, year, and engine size of the vehicle you want the oil change for. 2 weeks after we reach the magic 500 subscriber mark, I'll pick a comment from down below, verify the commenter is indeed a subscriber to this channel, and announce them as the winner in an upcoming video. In that follow-up video, I'll give you instructions on how to get a hold of me to claim your prize, which will be, of course, a 5-quart jug of high-quality name-brand synthetic motor oil for your vehicle, along with a name-brand oil filter. So your next oil change will be completely on the Average Joe Hot Rod Show as a small thank you for supporting this channel. I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for supporting this channel. Whether you've been on board since day one or you just subscribed yesterday, you all are the engine that drives this dream of mine forward. You've gotten me to 500. Let's see how fast we can get to 1,000 so we can give something bigger away. And this is Bobby D signing out, wishing you all good luck and reminding you to kick butt, take names, but most importantly, especially in this time of national crisis, to kill with kindness. Good luck, and we'll see you in the next episode.